almost done with the foundations course and this introduction, prerequisites, get basics, HTML foundations and CSS foundations. And I already have made two projects, which is the landing page project and the recipes project. So this is how my project looks like. This is for the recipes project and it's loading. And this one is for the landing page. While it's loading, I'm just gonna go ahead and discuss what I have started today. So I'm already here in data types and conditions, the JavaScript's basics. So data types and conditions so far, it is quite a lot to digest. I basically have read this MD tutorial on strings in JavaScript, and this is the lesson over here. So,
Well, I knew he was hiding somewhere.
it's about strings, declaring strings, different quotes that you can use, three types, double quote, single quote, and the backtick. So double quote, single quote, the same. You can use a mix of both. You can only use a single quote or a double quote. You have to choose. And the backtick is quite unique because you can what do you call this, embed, yeah, this one, template literally. You can add this one inside. You have the dollar sign and then this bracket to join two strings. So as you take this and then you can also, if you use a backtick, you can also make two sentences. I mean like this. You can separate. There's a backtick, but if you use this double quote, you have to add this slash or the dash, just like the slash, so that you have two lines. Here, including quotes and strings, you can use like a mix of the double quote or single quote. So to miss arrow for the outside, arrow for the inside. If you use same, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be better. Or just the backtick, double quote for the inside. And if you try to add this one, click single quote, something like this. It's gonna be a problem if you use. I'm not sure how to explain it. It's really easy once you try to test. So number versus strings. This one you can console both number and name. It will add up. It's gonna become a string. Then you can just do type of. Discovered using type of can help you debug. So you know what variable you're working with. If it's a number, if it's a string, or a container. Not sure about the terms, but it's basically it. You can just use my string or my none. Like you convert this 1, 2, 3 into a number. Basically, this is a string because there is a quotation. But if you use this, if you convert this my string here, it's gonna be numbered, and if we use my num, the result will be this one. Is obviously a number. There's no quotation. But if you use this,
intention of hurting her.
This one, the minor. Just the type of here is just to see if it actually works. This one here is string, the minor. It's converting the number to string vice versa. So the other one that this one concatenation using plus sign. So you can add this, like, I don't know, it's very simple. You can use the dollar sign. This one is much simpler. I don't know what's the term for this. This one, using template literals. So you can concatenate normal strings using the plus operator. But if it has template literals, you can use this. It's gonna be much easier using it. You can just add space here, you know. What's this? Yeah, like this. Scores 9, high score 10.
Just excited.
Then you add a template literal. If you made a score of another template literal over with this, divide high score times 1. So you added another template literal. So template literal, you can enter like a bunch of functions inside.
What are you calling here?
So
Thank you.
quite simple. Expressions, called expression functions. What else? Yeah, that's it. I don't wanna dig deeper into this. I just wanna know that this stuff exists. The only thing that I really
Yes, what
think
can I
is
do for you?
important here is like
Let's see if we got the facts
different
straight.
type
Gets
of
me to
strings.
San Francisco just in time to catch the
And
next
this
boat
one
for
is
you.
template literal. And the uniqueness of the backtick. What else? This one it says that we're gonna talk about it here later in the lesson. I don't know when it's gonna be. Anyways, I didn't want to delve into this lesson and strings method. Number 2 over here. So there is quite a lot to load. So there's quite a lot of lessons here. The string length, string char, car add, character add, character code add. So I stop over here. String, what you call this? String. Okay, so property access. I don't know. It's just count. I mean, just like telling or asking what's the character at that space. I mean that number. So if this one W3 schools, and then it says name dot out 2, then it's just gonna show 3. Cause no, not 3. S. It's gonna start counting 0. This is 0, 1, and then S is 2. Card code add. It's gonna show you UTF-16 code. So you can just Google what UTF-16 code add. 0 or mean A is equal to 65, like that. Then car add. I don't know. It's just similar to this method. So car add and add is similar. Position. Car code is gonna be using the UTF-16, and this property access is the code, I guess. And I don't really understand this much right now. I haven't tried and tested it a lot yet. And yeah, that's where I'm at yet. I'm already tired. everything anymore. This one, I don't know what these are. There's still a lot to read here. That's so much reading, and I wanna understand this very fast. Just go slower pace, and I will understand it better in the future as long as we keep on trying. My goal for tomorrow is to be able to finish this lesson here. JavaScript streams methods. There's really a lot of them, so I will make sure to finish this by tomorrow. And that's it for today. And date is June 23. Yeah, I actually started this lesson back 2024. Yeah, back in May 2024, and then I stopped for a very long time. I even downloaded Ubuntu now, and I haven't set up Git yet. I'll have to do it later on. This installation here, text editors, I got it. Command line basics, this is a really good lesson, you know. There's a lot of things you can do in the command line. You can make file. What is the command line? So this is the command line. We're just gonna go through it. This is the command line. And how do you open the command line? Just click Alt Control T since you're using Linux. How can you navigate to a particular directory? You use CD. So first I'm gonna use ls to list all the directories we have. I'm gonna go to download CD down. You can click tab for it. And then there it is. You're already in the downloads. Where will CD on its own navigate you? I forgot. It's gonna go back to the mode. You see. How about where will CD dot navigate you to? CD dot I believe it's gonna route you to previews. Say for example, go to downloads, and then let's check what we have. Okay, let's open borderless theme. CD border. Okay, there we are. And if we click CD dot it's gonna go back to. Oh wait. So it's CD space. It's gonna go back to downloads. It's just gonna go one step backwards. How do you display the name of the directory you are currently in? I don't know. This you already know what directory you're in. Downloads. How do you display the contents of the directory you're currently in? Simple. Just click ls. There's the contents. You can also use ls minus rf. I think. See, so it will show what is inside these directories. It's that simple. How do you create a new directory? Okay, so you just have to let's go back. CD, go back to your root, and then just click MPD.
I have everything here.
Temporary. Then there. Then let's click ls to see if it works. And there you go. Temporary, a new directory. How do you create a new file? Okay, so let's go to temporary, and then create a new file. Just click on nano, and then add a text that. Just click text, and then there you are. So this is a sample text. Then you click Control O. File name to write is okay, and then Control X. And then this list it down. There you have text, and then you can't go to CD text anymore. That's not a directory. You can just click nano text. There you have. This is a sample text that I'll show enter here. No. Let's just exit. Okay, exit. How do you destroy a directory or a file? it's gonna remove temporary. Can't remove temporary. It is a directly. I forgot. How do you destroy? I don't know. I forgot. How do you destroy a file? A directory? Let's check. Let's check real quick. Let's see. It's a cool thing here if you don't know the answer. Just click here. Save your answer. How do you rename a directory or a file? It's simple. Just click on move and then temporary, then change it to temporary. And look, it's gonna become temporary though. See, just have to click on move. Let's go to temporary. Then this is things. Oh, there's nothing here. Just make a file, nano text, then random stuff, and then that's it. Just click enter the next one. Then let's try to rename the nano the text file. Just click new text to name, and let's see what happens. See, it became name. Now let's open name. Nano name. See, random stuff is still here. So you can simply rename it. Nice. Execute. Let's find the answer to our questions here. Deleting file. Remove. The error command is used to delete files and folders. For the same flags and uses the command to learn. Remove minus v a.txt. To list files that are deleted. Okay. It doesn't answer our question. How do we delete? Oh, I think we just have to. This doesn't answer my question. So that's cool. And terminal. Ubuntu. To remove a file, a directory is common to the series rm minus r. Oh, okay. For more forceful removal, use rm. Okay. So let's go back here. Then let's remove temporary 2. So it says cannot be removed. It's a directory. So it's rm minus r temporary. And then let's try to check. So there it is gone. Very good. So that's it. That's the command line. Very simple, easy to use. So much stuff you can use to. Oh, you can also edit with your newly discovered practice command using recreate touch. Yeah, you can also touch the file. You can rename using touch or move. Okay, let's go now back. So, pretty basics. What else do you think is very helpful here? The boilerplate. Yeah, the boilerplate. Boilerplate is, the HTML boilerplate. It's like the bare bones of HTML. This one is so it's saying there's nothing inside. You just click that one, then click. There you go. Bare bones. You have everything you need. Just gonna go and connect my practice.js stuff. Just script, then here resource, and then enter practice.js. Then save. If you run this one, just open the live server. And there it is. You just click on inspect, go to console. So whatever you click, you type in here in the JavaScript, it's gonna be there in the console. The console log. Say let number go to 100, then const
That's all right.
division divide is equal to number divided by 10. And then let's console log divide. Now the answer should be 10 because 100 divided 10. There you go. It's gonna print here. So simple, so easy to understand. The recent things I learned, no wait, let me go back here. There's a lot of things you can do
The
with this.
tape is now completely rewound, ready for
The
play.
best one that I like here is Flexbox. Just scroll, shrink. It's kind of confusing at first, but you will understand it. Let's see. There is my project. This is my recipe project. And there's some link here. There you are. I also click home to go back. Cook now. There it is. And yeah, there's still this stuff like this at the bottom. Then about. It's about this project. That's it. Then let's go to the project landing page. This is my landing page.
Ready.
Does it work? Just highlight stuff here. I didn't add anything fancy like this. This is just a non-functional landing page. Just highlight that. Just highlights it. Now, Bloodborne the Bread Lover, Waku the Rat Chaser. This is one of my favorite projects. So simple, so static. And then this one. I also like I enjoy doing this. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much this is the two projects I've done so far. Very simple, just has HTML and CSS. And this variables and operators. This is what I have learned in JavaScript recently. So variables is like it's like a box where you put in stuff, you know. What else? Operators. I'll use the lesson for operators. Operators. Where are you? This one here. Operators is plus minus division. You also have the this one, the actual no, not that one. Or was it the arithmetic? The operators. There's a lot of lessons here. Super helpful. This one, the W3 schools have a lot of lessons. Exponentials, modulus, increment. Just gonna plus add one, and then decrement is minus one. Exponent, you already know what that is. I don't know how to explain exponent, but that's the things that you can do with JavaScript. It's like has a calculator in it. Operator precedence. So if you studied PEMDAS, then it's not gonna be difficult. What are these? Basic operators in math. So it's just similar with this, you unary, binary, and operand. Before we move on, let's grab some material. Operand is what operators apply to, for instance, applicate learner. Okay. Okay, I forgot about this lesson actually. I didn't know what unary, binary, operand is. That x is equal to 1, x is equals to negative x, alert x, negative 1. Unary negation was, I don't understand. Anyways. Oh, okay, so this is the purpose of modulus or remainder. It's gonna show what is the result. It's the remainder, 5 divided by 2 is equals to 2, and there's still the remainder of 1. 8 divided by 3 is 2. It's the remainder of 2. 8 divided by 4, there's 0 remainder. Actually, this is just similar lessons. Decrement. At first, I also didn't understand what are this stuff I'm reading. Oh my god, bitwise operators. I didn't read through this. And or zor not left shift. No, I haven't read through this. Because it's the instruction here. Read through and code along this article JavaScript operators. Don't forget the task at the bottom of the page. It will give me a pretty good video. This is from W3 School. Oh, okay, so I didn't finish this lesson. Actually, I need to go back to this lesson. There's a task here at the bottom. I think I gave up on this part. Some parts is easy to understand, some parts is difficult to understand. And that's fine. I'll get used to it. I don't even think I was able to answer this. What 3 keywords can you use to declare a new variable? Let, const, and var. Var is the old one. Let, you can change this variable. Const, you cannot change this variable. Which of the 3 variables equation should you avoid and why? It's var because it's the old one. What rules should you follow when naming variables? I don't know. As long as there's no the variable has meaning, has sense, easy to understand, and variables that were not already taken, functions like number or I don't know how to explain it, but I understand it in my brain right now. What rules should you follow? Okay, I'll read them. What happens when you add numbers and strings together? It's gonna become a string actually. Like this. Let's open this. So it's going to become a string. Anyways, I already understand that. How does modulo or remainder operator? I just discussed that. It's gonna show the result of the remainder. If you divide 4 divide 2, add a modulo in between, it's gonna show 0. But 5 divide 2 is gonna show 1. Oh, tell me what's the difference? Maybe we can find it here too. No, it's not here. Oh, where is it? Oh, here is the answer.
Where you go?
Assigns value to a variable. Okay. X is equals to 10. Yeah, I understand that. But the double equals and the triple equals is what I'm looking for. There you go. Equal to. Equal value and equal type. Oh, okay. So let's see. I think I have an idea already. It's not discussed here. Oh my god, where is it? Comparison operators. So it's just to compare, you know. Where is that, man? So I'm not sure. Let's ask our teacher. Hey, what's the difference between this?
From a husband who planned a trip on which he intended to destroy his wife and did kill her lover.
Teach me like a kid, you know? Are you kind of the same? I can be flexible. Compares values, but not the time. 5 is equal to 5. Is this true? Okay. Yeah, one's numbers, one's string, but they look the same. Good enough. Are you exactly the same? No cheating. Value and the type. Okay. I get it. Okay, I understand now. The type is referred to is if it's a number or a string. Why would you receive a non-result if the result is not a number? So you use this. Let me try it if I understand this. Type of string. Let heavens. I don't know. I'm out of idea. Type of dog. Okay. Let's add dog here. It's a const. Then const dog is equals to you know, you also can add this or not. It's different. It's definitely different. Okay. So let's print off. Let's see the console. So there you go. String. Wait. Oh no, I don't know the answer to the question. Let's go back to the lesson. If you cannot answer it, you go back to the lesson. Where's the none here? I don't know. Adding number and string. Numbers are added. If you add two string, result will be string concatenation. If you add a number string and another concatenation. If you add string and a number, result will be string concatenation. Oh my god. What is the answer to the question? There you go. None is not a number. Divide apple. No, sort of non-number. Okay. This is the very confusing part. There, we can try to use this in our code. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, bro. Oh, fudge. I think that's enough for today. I'm just gonna do some review later. This right here is the same difficulty I had experienced when I was studying the command line basics. I didn't know what the fuck is MKJR. No. So confusing. And I even marked that as completed. Oh my god. I didn't even understand like 50% of that shit. Whoa. Still far from here. I have 3 projects to make. I want to finish this within this week. If I can. Might take a month. So very difficult.